Consider for a moment the profound mystery that is consciousness. This intangible essence of our existence, this inner theater of thoughts and sensations, is at once the most familiar and yet the most mystifying phenomenon in the universe. It is the silent orchestra that plays the symphony of our subjective reality, the alchemical crucible where raw sensations are transmuted into meaningful experiences. Yet despite its centrality to our lives, consciousness remains shrouded in enigma. Where does it come from? Where does it reside? Is it a mere byproduct of our physical brain? Or is it a fundamental aspect of the universe itself, akin to space and time? These questions have been pondered by philosophers, neuroscientists, and quantum physicists alike, yet definitive answers remain elusive. The enigma of consciousness is a journey into the heart of existence itself, a voyage as thrilling as it is complex. So let's embark on this odyssey together. Dive with me as we explore the depths of this enigma. Over time, various theories have attempted to unwrap the enigma of consciousness. First, we have dualism. This theory, largely attributed to philosopher René Descartes, argues that the mind and body are distinct entities. The mind, in this view, is a non-physical substance separate from the physical brain. It's like a ghost in the machine, interacting with the body but fundamentally different. Dualism, however, leaves us with the mind-body problem, a philosophical conundrum about how these two different substances interact. Next, we venture into materialism. This theory posits that everything, including consciousness, can be explained by physical processes. For the materialist, there's no ghost in the machine, just the machine. Consciousness, then, is seen as a product of the brain's complex network of neurons firing. Yet materialism struggles to explain the subjective quality of our experiences, often referred to as the hard problem of consciousness. Finally, let's consider panpsychism, an ancient philosophy reborn in modern discussions of consciousness. Panpsychism suggests that consciousness isn't exclusive to humans or even animals, but is a fundamental aspect of all matter. Yes, even that coffee cup on your desk might have a rudimentary form of consciousness. This theory offers an elegant solution to the hard problem, but raises its own questions. Like, how do we measure the consciousness of inanimate objects? Each of these theories offers a unique lens through which to view consciousness. Dualism emphasizes the distinct nature of our mental experiences. Materialism underscores the physical underpinnings of our thoughts and feelings. Panpsychism, on the other hand, paints a picture of a world teeming with consciousness. Yet none of these theories completely demystifies consciousness, highlighting the complexity of our journey. Scene script. Consciousness is not a standalone phenomenon, it intertwines with the unconscious. Like two sides of a coin, the conscious and unconscious mind coexist within us, each playing a distinctive role in shaping our existence. The conscious mind, by definition, is everything we are aware of at any given moment. It's the voice inside your head reading this script to you right now, the thoughts you're actively thinking, and the sensations you're currently feeling. In contrast, the unconscious mind is a vast reservoir of feelings, thoughts, urges, and memories that are outside our conscious awareness. It's like a gigantic iceberg, with the conscious mind being the small tip above the water and the unconscious the enormous mass beneath. But how do these states affect our daily lives? Well, imagine you're at a party. Your conscious mind is actively engaged in conversation, absorbing the music, the lights, the laughter. Meanwhile, your unconscious mind is working tirelessly in the background, processing past experiences, societal norms, and instinctual drives, subtly influencing your reactions and decisions. Perhaps you find yourself drawn to a certain person in the room. Is it because they have an appealing smile? Or is it due to an unconscious association with someone from your past? Maybe you're avoiding another guest. Is it because of their loud voice? Or is it an unconscious reaction to a negative experience with someone similar? This dance between the conscious and unconscious mind is happening all the time. Every decision we make, every behavior we exhibit, is a result of this intricate interplay. It begs the question, are we truly in control, or are we puppets to our unconscious mind? Are our choices truly ours, or are they the product of past experiences and ingrained patterns stored deep within our unconscious? These questions challenge our perception of free will and self-determination. They force us to question the very nature of consciousness and the extent of its influence over our lives. The interplay between the conscious and unconscious mind adds another layer to the mystery of consciousness. As we delve deeper into this enigma, we find that consciousness is not just a simple awareness. It's a complex, multi-layered phenomenon that continues to puzzle and fascinate us. Quantum physics offers another intriguing perspective on consciousness. This is the quantum consciousness hypothesis, a compelling notion that dares to position consciousness as a state of matter. Yes, you heard right. Just like a solid, liquid, or gas consciousness, according to this hypothesis, is proposed to be an actual, tangible state of matter. Now that's quite a thought to wrap one's mind around, isn't it? The quantum consciousness hypothesis suggests that just as matter exists in multiple states, so too does consciousness. It's a radical idea that challenges our traditional understanding of consciousness as an elusive, intangible phenomenon. But let's dig a bit deeper. How does this hypothesis, this daring leap of scientific thought, change our perception of consciousness? Well, firstly, it gives consciousness a physicality, a tangibility that it lacked before. It places consciousness within the realm of the observable, the measurable. It suggests that consciousness isn't just an abstract concept, but a physical reality that can be studied and understood, much like the states of matter we learned about in school. Furthermore, by suggesting that consciousness is a state of matter, the quantum consciousness hypothesis also implies that it's a universal phenomenon. Just as matter is found throughout the universe, so too could consciousness be. This hypothesis opens up the possibility of a conscious universe where consciousness isn't limited to humans or even to living beings, but is a fundamental aspect of existence itself. Now, it's important to note that the quantum consciousness hypothesis is still a hypothesis. It's a thought-provoking idea, yes, but it's also controversial. It challenges long-held beliefs and assumptions, and as such, it's met with both fascination and skepticism. It's a theory that's still being explored, studied, and debated. But isn't that what makes it so exciting? The quantum consciousness hypothesis, while controversial, presents a fascinating angle to our exploration. In our quest to understand consciousness, we stumble upon a radical idea. Could the universe itself be conscious? This is not a question for the faint of heart, but one that can take us deep into the mysteries of existence. Let's take a moment to explore a thought-provoking theory known as panpsychism. This ancient philosophical belief, now gaining traction in modern scientific circles, proposes something truly astonishing. It suggests that consciousness is not unique to humans or even animals, but is a fundamental aspect of the universe, present even at the atomic level. Picture it this way: every particle, every electron, every quark might possess a tiny bit of consciousness. Everything from the smallest grain of sand to the vast swirling galaxies could have a form of subjective experience, however minuscule. This doesn't mean that atoms have thoughts or feelings in the way we do, but rather, they could possess a rudimentary form of conscious experience. So, what are the implications of such a theory, you might ask? Well, if panpsychism holds true, it could completely revolutionize our understanding of existence. It would mean that consciousness is not an emergent property of complex systems like the human brain, but something fundamental, woven into the very fabric of reality. It's a paradigm shift that could turn our worldview upside down, making us rethink our place in the cosmos. Moreover, panpsychism could offer a new perspective on the mystery of consciousness. If consciousness is universal, then we are not so much beings that have consciousness, but rather we are consciousness itself, experiencing the universe from our unique perspectives. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? The idea that the universe itself might be experiencing its own existence through us, through every atom, every particle, is one that can leave us in awe of the profound interconnectedness of all things. If the universe is conscious, what does that mean for us? It means we are much more than mere observers in this cosmic dance of existence. We are active participants, threads in the vast conscious tapestry of the universe. As we explore consciousness, we're not just studying a phenomenon, we're investigating the essence of our existence. We've delved into the enigmatic nature of consciousness, a realm where science and philosophy intertwine, giving birth to theories that seek to explain the unexplainable. From the dualistic perspectives to the quantum consciousness hypothesis, we've journeyed through the intricate labyrinth of understanding that defines our very being. We've ventured into the conscious and the unconscious, two sides of the same coin that make up the currency of our existence. The concept of a conscious universe, where everything around us might possess some form of consciousness, has been explored, further expanding the boundaries of our understanding, yet the complexity and mystery of consciousness remain. It is like an endless ocean, its depths unfathomable, its expanse limitless. Each wave brings with it new possibilities, new theories, and new insights into the heart of our existence. Our journey into the heart of existence has just begun. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of consciousness, we might just find ourselves along the way,